Welcome back. In this session, we are going to simulate a distributing sequence. Now, go to SAP, create purchase requisition, ME51N, press enter, material number 32, account assignment category K, quantity is 100. Sorry, this should be entered in account assignment category. Here K. Now GL is this. We are going to use multiple. Select here distribution by percentage. Copy this. Copy cost centers. Copy GL account. Press enter. Enter 10 here. Go to account assignment again. Here select distribute in sequence. The impact of this one, let us take this. Let us understand this. Here I am placing order for 100 quantity. Let us take I received only 50 quantity out of this 100. So then how system will adjust? Because you have 3 account assignments here. Cost center 1, cost center 2, cost center 3. What system will do if you select this distribute in sequence, based on this sequence, see these are the numbers 1, 2, 3. First priority will be given to this one. I received 50 quantity will be allocated to first one. Then system is going to post only one line item. Let us take another example. Out of this 100, I received 70. First will be allocated to this one 50. After allocating this 50 out of 70, another 20 will be there. Then 20 will be assigned to second one. That is the concept of this distribute in sequence. Now check this, post it. So note down this requisition. Next step is to, this is 370, go and create purchase order ME21N. Click on document overview on my purchase requisition. Select this one 370, adapt. Enter here vendor number. This is 7. We'll change this to 9. Here price is 10. This is in sequence by percentage. Check this. Save this. This is PO number. Note down this PO number. Go to purchase order approval ME29N. Approve this. Now we are going to receive 50% MIGO. Next step is to partial goods receipt. Goods receipt. Enter. Here out of 100 we are receiving only 70. Sorry, we are receiving only 70. Let us see how system will post. Continue. Post this. Document posted. Go to display. document information, click on accounting document. See how system adjusted this. For first cost center, system adjusted 500. For second one, it is adjusted 200. That is the concept of in sequence. If you are simulating proportionally, rest of the steps are same. Invoice verification. Sorry, this is MIRO. This is also MIRO. Same step, only change in it will. We will see that in next session. We will see this.